Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on our series of comparison of the health functions of smartwatches compared, of course, with a medical grade health monitoring device. So we have here the Omron and we have our smartwatch here. Our smartwatch here is the D3 Pro smartwatch. So it has a heart rate as well as a blood pressure monitoring function. So we're going to compare it with our medical grade device here. Okay? So again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we have here the D3 Pro, so we're going to wear it. Okay, we already checked it earlier whether it will detect, it will show a result for the heart rate if you're not wearing it. Okay, so far it did not show any results, so I'm excited to see whether the results here when we wear it and check our heart rate as well as blood pressure. Okay, so I'm curious and excited to see whether the result will be similar to an Omron medical grade device here. So we have it here, we already prepared it here, so let's wear and check whether we'll have a close result, okay, of our smartwatch to the Omron. Okay, let's check this medical grade device first. Okay, let's start. Okay, so it's now starting. Okay, let's wait for the results. So we have the systolic here, and we have the diastolic, and of course we have here the beats per minute. Okay, so we have 115/81 and we have 74 beats per minute. Okay, so let's check our heart rate here or the blood pressure first. Okay, so try to observe. We have 115/81 and we have 74 here. So let's see. Okay, so this is the blood oxygen. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go for the blood pressure. Okay, let's check. Let's wait. Okay, so the results is coming in now. Okay, so we have 114/78. So very close to the results here. We have 115/81. So let's go to the heart rate. Okay, again our heart rate here is 74. So let's see. Okay, let's wait. So we have 78. Okay, so not that far. Okay, again let's start. Let's see. Okay, what if we, so this is just a test. Okay, what if we simultaneously check our heart rate or blood pressure with our heart rate here. Okay, so let's stop first. Okay, I'm just curious to see. Okay, so let's see. Again, this is a D3 Pro smartwatch. Okay, let's have a second look at the results. Okay, are we going to get another close or maybe similar results? So 118 over 86. So there's some changes. So 79, 118 over 86. And we have here 123 over 85. Not that bad. Very close to the results. How about the heart rate here? Okay, let's check. We do have 79 here. Okay. I don't know, maybe the D3 Pro smartwatch do have a very good sensor here. Seems like they have a very good sensor here. And we have, so there's some changes on the heart rate. Let's see. It is now averaging. We have, let's see. Okay, we have 71 and 79 here. But previously we do have is 79. So not that far. Okay, especially for the blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so let's see again. Okay, so to show you, okay, let's see if we will not wear the wearable, the smartwatch. Will it detect, unlike other clone smartwatch there, that it still detects or shows a random result even though that you're not wearing it? So let's check, let's see. So I'm going to tap on the blood pressure here. So it is now trying to check our blood pressure. So let's see if we will have a random results here. If we do have a random results, there's a huge possibility that it's a fake sensor. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's still monitoring. Do we have a result? Okay, let's wait. So still trying to check. Okay, stop. So far, as you can see here, zero results. So seems like we do have a good sensor here. I'm not sure, but I already showed it to you, and it's very close to our results here with a medical grade device. But still, if you're going to check your health, I advise you to use a medical grade device like Omron. The data here should be used for reference only and not as a basis for diagnosis. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.